Beating the competition at new product development is critical to a company's success. In a recent survey, 150 different companies all reported similar challenges when launching new products. But what separated the top performers is how they manage their processes. Let's look at an example of how a consumer product company can streamline their new product introduction process. Before investing engineering time in a new product, top performers spend the proper time evaluating its strategic value. Is it technically achievable? Will it make them more competitive? With Fusion Lifecycle, detailed reporting makes it easier to make more informed decisions based on past performances and costs. Escape from spreadsheets and use industry-standard phase gate methods to go through your launch processes. Or set up your own milestones based on processes that have worked for you. And when you're ready to launch a new product, you can manage the entire bill of materials down to each part number, ensuring the documentation, formal change orders, with review and approvals are all accounted for. And you can assign and track all the tasks that also have to get done, like marketing assets, certifications, or tooling to build. The good news is that you can easily see when something is slipping or needs to be expedited in order to hit your launch date. What gets measured gets improved. When the entire product launch is tracked in one central location, higher level insights are possible.